Well guys, we are on to our next video of part 2, supplier and shipping. So today's topic is going to be on finding supplier, how you can find a best supplier to create a long-term relationship for your Amazon FBA business, guys. So let's get right into this. Firstly guys, you have to go to alibaba.com, as there are many sourcing platforms like websites like DHgate and like made in China, but as per my recommendation and the website that most of the top sellers use is Alibaba. So I prefer you choosing Alibaba over all other sourcing platforms. So what you have to do is you have to go here on the search bar and type your desired product or the product one that you has chosen. So guys, let's choose one product. For example, I will show you confetti balloons. So guys, you have to choose this supply types button, as I mentioned you in the earlier video, trade assurance and verified supplier. And guys, what you have to do is you have to find the product you want to sell, like here, and you may come up with 100 of listings and the companies. Out of 100 guys, you have to send a quotation to at least 10 of them, because some of them may not reply you guys, as you are a beginner and you're ordering on lower MOQ. So guys, at least out of 100 you have to send a quotation to at least 10 people, guys. And guys, you have to choose this choose a supplier that can bundle a product like I showed you in my earlier previous video. For example, like this one, this supplier can bundle balloon with this ribbon. He may bundle something else like hand pump with this ribbon also, this balloon also. So as you have to choose and make the product different from others, guys, as most of them can provide or add value to your product, guys. So you have to choose who can provide and add value to your product. And guys, keep in mind that I'm not recommending you to sell the product example that I'm showing you guys, because some of it may contain restriction and some of it may have low profit margin. So keep in mind that the product example that I'm showing you is the one that you can sell on Amazon, guys. So guys, this is the way you can find your supplier. So guys, I'll see you in my next video.